Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 awesome platforms where you can promote your Redbubble products plus one bonus platform which is going to be really very interesting. Okay, now let's talk about the first platform where you can promote your Redbubble products, and this is the one which is really awesome. But the thing is that understand one thing, that this platform only works if you are focused on a single niche. Only and only then there is a great chance that you will be getting more sales from this platform, and that platform is known as Instagram. The thing about Instagram is that it is way easier to grow some of the things on Instagram because you have got one of the best things to grow Instagram, and most of the people are not utilizing it, and that is Instagram Reels. Now Instagram Reels have extraordinary reach, and you can reach a lot more people if you focus on Reels, creating more reel content on your Instagram page or on your niche Instagram page, because this is something which is being pushed by Instagram to a great extent. So with a normal post as well as reel, combine both of them, this can give you growth really very quickly on Instagram, and you can start earning some decent money from Instagram. You can also sell shoutouts, as well as you can also promote your Redbubble store with Instagram if you are going to utilize this power of Reels, because it is a very big opportunity and there is a great chance for you to make good sales out of it. Now the second platform which we will dive into for promotion of your Redbubble store would be Pinterest. But the thing is that there can be a lot of things on Pinterest, and it is also something where you have to niche it down, because this is something which is very important, and most of the stores on Pinterest which really are niched down. Because if you are not niched down on Pinterest, then there is a very less opportunity that your page will grow, or else if you are not niched down, there is a chance that one of your boards may not get recommended as much as it should be. So it is important to get niched down on Pinterest. Okay, so I will be bringing a full case study video on Pinterest where I show you how I grew my Pinterest page really very quickly, and how you can also do that stuff to promote your Redbubble store. So definitely do check out that video, as well as there is a video tab on Pinterest, and Pinterest is promoting lot more for the videos. Okay, so now you can upload short videos to Pinterest, and there is a great chance that those videos may get viral on Pinterest. So this is also an opportunity, and this is also getting a lot of push. So there is an opportunity that you can start creating some simple videos and uploading those videos to Pinterest also, and with along creating the pins which you normally create for your Pinterest account. Okay, so these are the 2 platforms which are really awesome. Let's talk about the third platform, that is Facebook groups. Now this is also niche based. I have already created a dedicated video on this topic, but this is also something which is really very awesome. And the thing is that if you create niche based content on Facebook and you have a certain group, then there is a great chance that you can drive a great amount of traffic to your Redbubble store with this strategy. And I have discussed this strategy in detail in the last video, or you can see that video in the I button. Okay, so now this is something that you should definitely do, and let's go about the bonus traffic source from where you can promote your Redbubble products, and that is going to be Tumblr. Now most of the people may know or may not know about Tumblr, because it is receiving 500 million, more than 500 million traffic every single month. And the thing about which Tumblr is the best, because it works on blogs. Okay, and blogs are basically some form of visual content which you can post, and there is a great chance that you can post all your things on Tumblr, okay, which are related to your Redbubble store. So Tumblr can be a very good platform. Most of the people are not utilizing this platform properly, you cannot utilize this problem platform properly. It has got a ton of traffic and it is completely unsaturated, so there is a great chance that you can make some good amount of following as well as good amount of long-term money if you are planning to work on Tumblr to promote your Redbubble store. This is a very great opportunity for you to get started with that platform, which not most of the people are using, and there is a big audience which is willing to buy your products. But the thing is that most people are not working on Tumblr, and that's the reason why they cannot utilize that audience, or they are not able to earn money from that audience which is getting wasted on Tumblr. Especially those Redbubble sellers are not utilizing that traffic. So you can be the part of that. You can just break the rules, figure it out how to use Tumblr, how to do it all, and how to grow your Tumblr account. There are a lot of videos regarding this which are available on YouTube. You just check it out, all those videos, and you can start making some good amount of money out of it. And this is going to be really something which is very interesting, as well as you can experiment the stuff, and in this way, by experiment, you will figure out the best way which works for your Redbubble store. So I hope you have got some value out of this video and you have got some practical strategy and mindset to work on your Redbubble store. And if you want this type of unedited raw clips with some pauses as well as some little bit stutters in speaking, then definitely you can just like here as well as press the subscribe button, and I will be posting some of this unedited videos for some days because I am being busy in some projects. That's why I'm not able to edit this video. I hope you got some value out of this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.